Minister, time for you go. Crime in Jamaica is coming from corruption. Corruption breeds crime. Believe me, corruption breeds crime. What is going on the bottom is a symptom of what is coming from top, called corruption. If the father now run the house good, everything broke down the bottom. If the father now run the house good, everything break down.
Are we this empty up here? That we're gonna sit back and watch leaders who are getting millions out of our money celebrate?
We need water, we need road. The people dying in the Mandeville hospital. We have to go there in December and we have to take my brother-in-law from the hospital and ship him to America. If it wasn't America, what happened to the poor people who can't buy a ticket?
Hello everyone. Now, I know you might be thinking this video is crooked or this video had been taken somewhere in Jamaica. No, this video is from the United States of America. Now, this is New York City, and so many diasporians, those Jamaicans who have gone ahead and those blacks who are in New York are now watching, have been monitoring how Andrew Holness is running the government, how Andrew Holness is running this country, and they all in one voice have said, no, this country is in a mess. Our home country, our mother country is now being taken into a ditch, into a direction that no one will ever want to see our country. Now, this is because of the corruption, mismanagement of funds and taxes being paid by the common Jamaicans. Now, let's watch this video, come back, give a quick discussion. What has made them to come to this conclusion that Andrew Holness must go and must leave the government immediately? So let's watch this video, come back and give a quick discussion about the same. Thank you.
We need water, we need road. The people dying in the Mandeville hospital. We have to go there in December and we have to take my brother-in-law from the hospital and ship him to America. If it wasn't America, what happened to the poor people who can't buy a ticket to come to America when they are sick?
Jamaica is not a real place.
Mr. Health Minister, time for you go. And I beg South Central Israel people, stand up to the right. We now sell out the land. We now sell out the land to those shiny people. People want to touch land, but them are going to offer price. We don't go, eh?
Number two far. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, listen to me, one of the biggest mouth. You know, I'm going to say Mr. President, your mouth big, man. But there's a guy who's more bigger than me one. And when he talk, no dog bark. Ladies and gentlemen, the man even have the name of the country attached to his name. His name JC, but not Jesus Christ. What name? What name? What name?
One family. One family. Man has to respect everybody. What is that? What is that? No justice! No peace! No justice! No peace! No justice! No peace! Who's Jamaica? Oh, Jamaica! Who's Jamaica? Oh, Jamaica! Who's Jamaica? Oh, Jamaica! Who's Jamaica? Oh, no justice! No peace! No justice! No peace! One of our family. From last time they come about family thing. They have to go back to return the input and return back. My business is that. The day of today. We're glad to see the turnout. What a beautiful thing, Jamaica. You say we love the country. They must talk about we're going to bring down the country. Bring down what? Up for where the country go. Up. I never jog it down. Up. I never jog it down. Over there, so we file the taxes and code of conduct have to be up there. Statutory declaration have to be up there as citizens. It means that our Prime Minister can do the right thing better. You know how to do. We don't want to beg them. Do the right thing. Do the right thing. No justice. No peace. No justice. No peace. They will say, what do we want? Integrity. We want to say integrity. What we want? Integrity. What we want? Integrity. When do we want it? What we want? Integrity. When do we need it? Who's Jamaica? Who's Jamaica? Who's Jamaica? All right. We're doing good. We're doing good, people. We just want the country back. So no problem we can go to Jamaica. The crime in Jamaica is coming from corruption.
Corruption breeds crime. Believe me, corruption breeds crime. What is going on the bottom is a symptom of what is coming from top, called corruption. If the father now run the house good, everything broke down the bottom. If the father now run the house good, everything break down. The youth them now gonna have no manners, them now gonna have no principle, them just be another on the road. So we gonna talk about what we want. Justice. What we want? Justice. What do we want it? What we want? Justice.
I was just scrolling my timeline and I came across a post by our most honorable Prime Minister, Andrew Holness. And the post read, "We have increased minimum wage from 13,000 to 15,000. This is showing our care for minimum wage earners. As our economy gets better, you can expect even more raises. Your government is caring for you." So let me ask you a question. Will the sheep of Jamaica sit back and watch our leaders who are making millions and just enjoyed over 200% increase in salary celebrate them offering us 95 US a week? You are celebrating your so-called care for your people by offering them 95 US a week? 95 US? Jesus, man. 95 US a week is something to celebrate. And the sheep of Jamaica will sit back and accept this and laugh and shake bell and pump fists? Are we this empty up here? That we're gonna sit back and watch leaders who are getting millions out of our money celebrate 95 US a week, $750 for your box food, minimum, mini box food, 2 bills for your box drinks, 1,000 for lunch already. That is 8 US for the day. 8 fives are 40. That's $40 out of the $95 already. Bus fare no come in yet. Taxi fare no come in yet. Lunch money for the kids them no come in yet. Food at the table no come in yet. Light no come in yet. Water no come in yet. Rent no come in yet. And you're celebrating $95 a week for the people you care for? As the Prime Minister of Jamaica, with all due respect, and I respect this man, but you should be ashamed of yourself to make such a public statement. You are celebrating offering your people 95 US a week for compensation for hard work. That is something to celebrate as a leader. And you're going to tell me this is not oppression at its highest level? Jamaicans with a brain, don't be no sheep. Wake up. Don't pump no fish. Don't shake no bell. Because this is nonsense. You are celebrating 95 US a week. 95 US. 1 bottle of white rum. Jaja.
Them say majority of people are dead in Jamaica, you know, are gonna kill them. And yes, still on the other hand, if guns never in the hand of some lawful people, a lot more people are dead. Funny, gonna kill most people, but yes, still gonna save people. That's a simple mathematics equation. Simple. The answer to gun and gun crime is more gun, but guns in the hands of more lawful person. You see legislation in Jamaica, I see law in Jamaica. It costs the road boy them for behave so. It costs the road boy them for behave so. You see, the law is set a way where lawful person like me and everybody like me did entitled to have a gun. And have to run when they see police come. I know so the legal where they can walk with night and day. Crime level will not be so high now. Them bad boy and them little boy we push up them face. Them one they nowhere near. Them they ain't gonna hide. Because when they walk in a man's community, they can guarantee say for every other house is a gunman or every house is a gunman. As long as it's a yard of a law abiding person inside there, there's gun in there. And everybody in the community work together, brother. You think so there'll be no hiding place? Or nowhere where them boy could each up and hide. Just so. When you go in every community, I same thing. Every community you go. So they can't live from your community and go in our next community. Because the community spread wide. The rules spread wide. The law spread wide. Law abiding citizen. with decent integrity have the permission for walk with a gun. Crime wanna be so high, brother. Crime wanna be so high. A man just walk and just walk in a community or drive in a community and say a group of people sit down and just walk no shot so and you just get away free so. That nothing go on bad man. People that nothing go on. You're supposed to get catch around a corner around this. That's why I say we can't stop internal fictions. We can't stop war. We can't stop people from have differences. But we can have a better way of going about it. We can't just get up random and just shoot people, so brother. There have got to be consequences, man. There have got to be consequences, brother. The law abiding people guns, brother. Make we can walk with gun, brother. Instead of we have to hide when police are come. A man shoot a family and you can't retaliate and shoot him back without you go to prison. And what that? That don't make no sense, brother. A guns fight guns, man. Free up a law abiding citizens, man.
Was jails and prisons and an abundance of idle hands. If we begin to think strategically about engagement, inclusion, and collaboration that discounts political affiliation, socioeconomic, race, physical, and spiritual gifts as talented people with fertile lands. I'm sorry. I am sorry. Okay, let me get this here. Oh yeah, let me go back. If we begin to think strategically about engagement, inclusion, and collaboration that discounts political affiliation, socioeconomics, race, religion, gender.
So many people are dying in hospitals. So many people are dying due to insecurity. And there is a lot of mismanagement of resources. There is a lot of corruption taking place in Jamaica right now. Now, so many diasporians, those Jamaicans who have gone to look for a life outside Jamaica, are now saying, no, this government, this regime must come to an end. An election should be called, and Andrew Holness and his team to leave offices immediately, because our country is in a great mess. Now, we all know that Jamaicans did wake up very early in the morning, voted for Andrew Holness, hoping that him being in the opposition and being a vibrant and young man will lead this country with a lot of wisdom. Now, this has not been the case. He has been on the limelight for ranting, aggressiveness, and misuse of funds, and the rising corruption, high rate of unemployment in the country. Now, some of his cabinet members are now being investigated for different reasons. That is corruption. And we all know that the health sector has actually been mismanaged badly in Jamaica. We are seeing so many Jamaicans dying in hospitals. Where is the taxes they pay? Where are the doctors? Now, so many Jamaicans are paying their taxes, and their taxes are being misused by those people who are being entrusted by Andrew Holness. Now, we might say those people living in Jamaica are complaining a lot. Now, these are diasporians. These are people from abroad. Those people watching their country, and they now say, we can't take this anymore. Our country is heading into the wrong direction, and it's a time we come up with one voice and say no to this hooliganism. So this is what is driving so many people crazy, because when you see the taxes are rising, but the service delivery is so down, people dying in hospitals, people dying due to insecurity. How many mass shootings have we seen this year? Now, it was just last year when there was so much mass shooting in Jamaica. Things that are not common. Things that haven't been happening that quite. So, these things that happen so awfully, the corruption, no one is wanting to talk about that. Now, the Prime Minister has been talking on how to deal with the corrupt leaders and all that, but he has never implemented that. Now, it's just 1 year some months ago, that the wife, Juliet Holness, was found guilty of some corruption deals. So the Prime Minister was also scrutinized for corruption. Now, these things show that the government is rotten with corruption. It's not a matter of defending your country, it's a matter of seeing your country doing better. What good does it bring you defending your country while you know it is rotten? People are dying because of hunger. People are dying because of different reasons. So many youths are unemployed, and this has led to high crime rate. Now, no one is addressing these matters. Now, this is what has forced the diasporians to come out in their large numbers and say, no, please, this government must go down. This government must be taken down by the people. You are elected by these people, and these people have the power to take you out. Now, so many Jamaicans have been coming after me saying that I'm being paid by PNP to do these videos. No, it's just I want to see our black countries working. My dear friends, my dear Jamaicans, I have no beef with you. I want the best for these countries. I want the best countries in Africa. I want the best countries in the Caribbean. We are all black people. So let's not be personal with this. This is just to help our countries. If the diasporians can come out in their large numbers and say no to this government or no to this and that, it's time. If the government is not going down, now the government should respect the will of the people. The government should work for the people. The government should manage the funds being collected. Jamaicans wake up very early in the morning to go toil and pay the taxes just for some people to take them and go for vacations and so many other things, to drive big Range Rovers and all that at the expense of a poor Jamaican man, at the expense of a poor Jamaican woman. So let's please come together in one voice, unite as Jamaicans. No one will ever come to save your country. You must save your own country. So this is why we are seeing so many large troops of numbers coming out to say, no, we want our country better again. Please, thank you for watching this video, and if it's the first time you're coming across the channel, consider subscribing, share, and like the content. I salute you all.